Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've installed the Starline Halo, which is the latest immobiliser on the market, which provides the same protection as the Starline Pro immobilisers or the Ghost 2 Pro, but also a step above that with a horn honk trigger in the event that this vehicle's under attack. So if that was to happen, as a normal system works, start it up. If a thief's cloned the key and they go to drive it off, it's going to stall. As you can see, vehicle switched off. If they then try and do it again, so start the vehicle up for a second time, it will start up. As soon as they select a gear, the horn's going to go mad, and the only way to disarm it is by the customer's phone or the code. So now if we select a gear, here the horn's going mad, vehicle stalled. So I'll pop the code in. Double bleep to confirm the code's gone in, and it silenced the vehicle. And now we can start it up. There we go, and we can select our gear. And the vehicle doesn't stall out. So we're just going to turn the vehicle off, give it a minute to set, and then come back and show you what the standard procedure is for the customer. So the customer's normal procedure to start it up, as any other immobiliser, start it up. They can either present their phone, or they can put their push sequence in. For the video we kept it simple. C-bar, double bleep, and now we can select our gear. So just as the Ghost and Starline immobilisers, this is also a step above. Has no visible LEDs like alarm systems, no valet buttons, nothing for a thief to follow if you're not around. And also if they try it twice, as you heard, the horn goes off. Unless they put the code in, the horn won't stop. And also in that time they'll be unable to start it. This can also be paired to the phone, so there's no need for a code. If you want to get one of these fitted, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393, and we also carried out this installation with London Car Alarm Company. So this is the Starline Halo on a brand new 2022 Range Rover Sport. Give us a call to get one fitted. Thanks for watching.